Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi is connected but no internet access. So you just need to follow me. So at first you just need to right click on your start menu, click on settings. On this window you just need to click on system. From your left side, on your right side you will get an option called troubleshoot. So click on that option. After that go to other troubleshooters. Now here on this window you just need to click on run button beside of internet connections. So click on run and it will automatically detect and fix your problem. After done, close this window and try to reconnect your Wi-Fi and check if your internet is working or not. If it is not, then just go to network and internet. Here you will get advanced network settings. So click on that option. Now here you just need to click on network reset under more settings. Now click on reset now, this option, and click on yes. And after that you just need to shut down your PC. Means you just need to restart your PC. So after restart, still if you are facing same issue, then just go to your start menu or search menu and type over here cmd. Now right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. Now on this window you just need to put this command which I'll give you on my video description. So you just need to put all this command over here one by one. So I will copy one by one all the command and press enter from your keyboard. After done, you just need to restart your PC and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.